Deadly fire, viewers, broke out in Delhi's Malviya Nagar area early this morning, and at least 21 people have already reported being killed. Max Hospital issued a statement saying 39 patients were brought in, including 18 that were brought dead. And this is just the number of people who were taken to Max. Some patients were also taken to AIIMS Trauma Center, and some may even be taken to the Safdarjung Hospital. Which is this hotel where the fire broke out? Let's take a look. Hotel Flourish Stays. This is the building that has caught fire. It says Budget Hotel opposite Max Hotel, Max Hospital in Saket in New Delhi. Clean and comfortable rooms, perfect for patients and travelers. They've also given a contact number to book the stay, but when NewsX called this number, it was unavailable or out of coverage area. How are they selling themselves? Let's take a look. It says, why us? Client satisfaction, ideal location, premium rooms, competitive pricing, spotlessly clean, friendly service, 24/7 customer support. So you can see how they're writing things to sell themselves, but all of these conditions are basically violated, and we'll get to that. For now, let's take a look at their Instagram page. Your comfort, our priority, a peaceful and comfortable state for medical patients. Remember, this guest house was located right near Max Hospital, and a lot of patients or the family members of those who were receiving treatment at the hospital were actually staying in this guest house, which is why among those killed, a lot of them are foreign nationals. So this is how they've also given some guest testimonials, and rooms are there, and also showing how this was just in 100 meter of Max Hospital. The Max Super Speciality Hospital is just 100 meters from where this building was located that caught fire today, killing several people. In fact, this is their page on Make My Trip. Flourish Stays Saket near Max Hospital. They're selling rooms for 2,000 rupees and above, and there are different varieties of rooms. Premium twin rooms are there, standard rooms are there, then there are also rooms with free cancellation available that are charged more. Premium twin rooms are also available. Premium twin room with kitchenettes, they are being booked for over 3,000 rupees. In fact, let's take a look at another website as well, where the hotel is listed for booking. Here as well, they're selling premium twin rooms and different kinds of room, including ones with the kitchenette, like you can see. But this is only how the hotel is selling itself. It says it's a safe hotel, it's a clean hotel, but let me tell you, of all the lapses that have been reported and all the big questions that now arise. Firstly, the hotel was permitted to have only 6 rooms, but at least 24 rooms were operational. Between 22 and 25 rooms were running in this hotel. Another big question, why was there only one exit and entry to this hotel? Such a big hotel with 24 rooms running unauthorized and having only one entry and exit shows how safe it is. Some reports are telling us that the hotel was like a shaft, there was no ventilation whatsoever. Another big question that now arises, viewers, is where is the building owner? Lokesh Bajaj, the owner of the building, is absconding. He is nowhere to be found. A manhunt is now on for the owner, Lokesh Bajaj. Remember, viewers, 21 lives have already been lost. There are several who are in a critical condition and on ventilator support. Many lapses, many big questions, no answers. Keep watching NewsX. We'll apprise you with all the big developments coming in.